Hey guys, it's getting late. Man, I'm getting tired and it's almost bedtime. Man, it's just gonna be a really short vlog today. It's just gonna be a really short vlog, and I just wanted to say it is really late. So I'm just gonna about to go to bed. A few more minutes. I'm just really tired. I just want to say some WWE posters ad. I made this poster. I'm a good artist. I made that poster. This poster. And then guys, my cousin made this last one. My cousin made this one. You haven't seen that? I like it. It's very nice. I did that one so fast, I might as well just pause the video and then go back to it and then watch them. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to wish you, everyone, all my viewers, good night, my viewers. And to you, Marcus, good night for tomorrow. I might be coming over for your birthday. And I'll bring my tablet and make a birthday video for you. So, good night, everyone in the world. Good dreams. I'll see you all later. Bye.